Maybe Chen Fan is still waiting for me. Please, like in the night. I saw that person. Maybe you can see mine. Oh.
It's dangerous.
Suddenly looking back.
What timing by the Germans there?
Oh my. Oh, they blow all my lord disaster.
I hope no one's up in that. That was a disaster. They flipped the wing.
The wrong way there do.
Industry complicated. At the property intersection of Zhejiang Street. The driver of a black Mercedes may be driving without a license. Be careful, everyone. Understood.
I'll come pick them up right away. You two are just like meatheads. Indeed, all the old cabbages are together.
Didn't slow down in time. This is the main cause of the accident.
It's entirely my fault. You drive the car yourself.
Then look, I've met you all here.
Hey, it's nothing. Sound of something hitting a surface asterisk. This is for preparing the dishes. I have to come on the road.
I've grown up so much. The area is quite arrogant. Hey.
You'll see it today.
Oh, whose car did you hit? You can't run away. You know you were going the wrong way, right? Do you know what you hit? How far did you go the wrong way?
Do you know or not?
Why bother fighting? Just now, I was busy fighting to death. DA is going to fight. Fight no more. Turn off the radar.
We are.
You're hitting me? Get a girl. Hit a boy again. Turning.
We took it away.
Guangzhou U-turn car. Mine. Your mom, your grandpa, myself. I'm taking pictures.
Just slowly. Crush him.
Don't fall asleep. When you buy a car, they make all sorts of promises. The maintenance is all free. Now, they still charge for labor. labor costs 100 or 2. It's really a rip-off. What did they say when you bought it? What are they saying now? That's how they do things. As long as you pay the deposit when buying a car. You can't say anything. Be cautious when buying a car.
Beijing Hyundai. 2 radishes.
I can't get up early to eat.
You guys go out without eating?
This is Fisherman's Wharf. It's a public place. It's not his place. Then this car is mine. He's going to lock my car now. Tells me I definitely can't leave today. This rope is dangling here. I'm looking at young Dom. You can see for yourself. Why am I angry? Even if you let me go in a bit, I'll leave right away. I said I don't want to like John. But you're really ticked off. I definitely wouldn't want it. I'm on duty. Why are you telling me all that? Shouldn't I report the situation to you? It's normal to call me to come quickly. Why are you yelling at me? What? I didn't like you. Officer, I mean you need to hurry. Because I've been waiting for a long time.
What's going on here?
You didn't say. We're telling you. What do you mean? I didn't like you. Officer, I understand the situation now. You have to handle it now.
Let me check again.
It's our China's. Right? I am as a Chinese citizen. I have the right to stop, right? Right? Do I have the right to stop? I'm asking you, do you? You have money, right? You should ask. You want to ask. Ask who? I just said, I ask who. Am I in a public place? What are you doing? Hey, this is my electric bike. Your best wood? Did you buy a house? Get the contract out. Can I go into your house's doorway? Sure, come on. I'm opening a restaurant tomorrow. Come here. You said this car is yours.
You bought it?